Hi. So I haven't had meat in the past month because I've been fasting for like all the different holidays, Hindu holidays. So I'm finally gonna break my fast. I have this Happy Heart Dragon Platter from Publix. And then I also have some wings and a piece of dinner roll. And I'm using this sauce for my sushi. And I just have some Trader Joe's ranch for my wings. So let's get into it. So let's go in with the tempura first and dip a little sauce. I forgot to grab soy, but let's go in. I didn't get to the shrimp yet though, so let's go. Okay, let's go in with the wings. I think this is the garlic parm flavor. A little bit of ranch. First bite. That's so good.